And today we are talking about creative financing. How do we get creative with getting you a house? So there's a few things that we can do. First, let's talk about first-time home buyers. So, you're scraping together everything you can to be able to put a down payment on a house. And how do I save enough? And how can I come up with some ways of making my money go further? So, by the way, we're going to reference all of this in the comments below, but there are several programs specific to Portland Metro and then Oregon, the feds, and yeah, and actually the county too. So there's DPAL, which stands for Down Payment Assistance Loan. And pretty much what you have to do is you have to go through these classes through the Portland Housing Center. And then you're going to find a bank where you're depositing your money every month, and then they match it. So if you agree to put in $100 a month, they'll match it with $100 a month so that you can double your money for your down payment. So that's super sweet. There's also the Oregon bond that matches your down payment in a different way. So it's dependent on your income. You have to be under a certain threshold of income. And I think Oregon bond, it changes sometimes, but I think you have to be in certain areas of the state. In both of those instances, they'll give you more money to be able to buy a house. Then there's, FHA, which is the Federal Housing Authority, has loan programs that don't necessarily give you more down payment, but they'll let you qualify at a higher debt to income ratio, and they have mortgage insurance. And so there's ways that you can just finagle it so that you can qualify for more than you normally would with just a straight conventional loan. For those of you that own property, which is a different set of problems, you might be not wanting to buy a place until you've sold your place, or you want to sell your place and you're worried about finding a new place. In both of those instances, there are programs that can bridge the gap. You could get a home equity line of credit on your existing home to enable you to buy your new home, and then once you've sold your old home, then you can put that additional money down on your new home and do what's called a recast of your mortgage. It depends on the lender. Some lenders aren't going to allow you to do that, but a lot of them will. Additionally, there's actually a program called a bridge loan. This is more of a specialty product, but you have to qualify for both mortgages, and a lot of people can't do that. But if you can, then it enables you to borrow against the equity you have in your existing home to purchase a new home. And then when your first home is sold, then it goes to pay off the balance on the existing home. And then last but not least, for everyone, if you have a 401k, you may be able to borrow against it. And there are situations, especially for people that are first-time home buyers, it depends on your 401k. So you have to check with the administrator of your 401k, but sometimes they'll allow you to borrow against your 401k to put down on your home. So a few ideas for you. And of course, if you have any questions, if your 2021 goal is to buy a home, reach out. I, of course, can walk through all of these and we can figure out which one would be ideal for you and then send you to the right person to help you figure this all out. I hope you have a wonderful day today, and we'll talk to you soon. See you next year.